Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import video to Flipgrid. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to import video to Flipgrid, tap Open your Flipgrid application, or you can also go to your web browser on your computer and type in www.flipgrid.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on Record a Response or Add a Response. You'll end up in the camera screen on Flipgrid. Now, at the bottom of the page, tap on Options. In the expanded menu, you should see an Upload button. Tap on Upload in order to upload a video. Select one of the video from your phone library and wait until the video gets imported. Once you're done, review the video clip, and if you'd like to import more videos, tap on Add More at the bottom left. Again, tap on the Options button and tap Upload. Select any video that you'd like to import, and you can see that there are 2 videos uploaded on your Flipgrid. Now, you can trim your video by simply dragging the slider to include the part of the clip in your video. After you're done, tap on Confirm at the bottom right. Tap Next one more time at the bottom right corner. And now, submit your video by selecting a cover by tapping on Edit Cover, and you can either select a frame from the same video, take a selfie to upload as a cover, or upload an image and even create a name tag. After you're done, you can go ahead and enter your name, add a title, or even attach a link. Finally, tap on Submit at the bottom of the screen, and that way you'll be able to upload or import a video to Flipgrid. Remember that the length of the video is limited based on the topic settings your educator has set. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.